In order for us to use the molecules and energy we get from food, we must transport them across cell membranes. Transport of nutrients is essential for all cells, but we'll use cells in the small intestine to teach the principles of membrane transport. Let's zoom into the surface of an intestinal cell. The plasma membrane is selectively permeable. Some molecules can move across it, while others cannot. How do materials enter and leave cells? Lipids, such as these yellow molecules, can move freely across the lipid bilayer. Notice that the lipid molecules move down their concentration gradient from where they are more concentrated to where they are less concentrated. This is an example of simple diffusion. Diffusion is a form of passive transport. It does not require energy from the cell, but it does depend on the concentration gradient, size and charge of the molecule or ion. However, most molecules cannot cross the lipid bilayer. Instead, molecules like the sugar fructose move into intestinal cells by facilitated diffusion, moving down their concentration gradient and through transport proteins. It also differs because it acts only on specific molecules, and the transport proteins can become saturated, reducing the amount of diffusion. However, facilitated diffusion doesn't require energy from the cell, so, like simple diffusion, it's a form of passive transport. The majority of water molecules cross the plasma membrane by facilitated diffusion, also called osmosis, through specific protein channels called aquaporins.